Hello, this is the clock guy. I'm going to show you a grandfather clock, or a long case clock, or a tall case clock, depending on where you live. I'll show you the inside as I start it up. Those are weight cans. They're actually old Pepsi cans. They're welded together, little pieces of lead in there. The winding is this method. There's the inside of the clock. To get it started, there's a lot of information on the door. Many clock repair people used to write on the door in chalk. It does run really well. Take the bonnet off and show you what's behind this. Bet not many people have seen a wooden clock movement before. Appears to be all original. It's in very good shape. None of the teeth are broken, which I would think might be common on a wooden clock movement. O'clock. O'clock. It's not amazing that these are all hand-cut gears made of wood due to the fact that there was no brass available after the Revolutionary War. So American clockmakers started making wooden movements until they could figure out how to make brass. O'clock. There is a metal escape wheel, as you can see. Some of the original nails. It is a hand-painted wooden dial. And I do have an Eli Terry wooden movement clock, which is right here, that I'm working on. I'll show you just for fun. And this will be my wooden movement. I actually have another one here that has a wooden movement. I think it's a Jerome, I'm not sure. It does fit in this hallway, which is very Victorian. So this would have been possibly the clock that Grandpa had, my grandfather's clock. And we would have carried on the tradition of having the grandfather clock in our foyer. Let's see. This is a beautiful foyer. I'll put the hood back on so you can see it run one more time. It's got very thick wavy glass in it. You can probably see the reflection. Very thick. Nice deep arch. Thank you.